Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everybody about it, and that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. After reading this, our staff was really excited about the great job we've done. It makes us happy when our customers are happy. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in providing the best customer service there is. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.